Hey folks, Loose Shirt with you. I've got a Reaper set. It was gifted to me from Wolfgang Gregson. Appreciate that, buddy. I wanted to pick an 1100 real quick. I won't spend a whole lot of time discussing this Reaper set, but I will give you some of my thoughts. A lot of other very competent pickers have chimed in already to tell you what they like and what they don't like, and I discovered a lot of those same things when I started messing with these. I will say they are a lovely set of picks, and I could get used to using them a lot. Let's just take a 20 thousandths deep hook here, and I'll use one of the McNally funky looking little turners. Well, I kind of like it actually. They grip in there pretty good. Slide this back a little bit. Let's go through. There's a lot of feeling with them. Okay, got something out of 5. Click out of 4. Nothing out of 3, nothing out of 2, nothing out of 1. It's loose. Okay, there's a deep false set. Go back and check. Start at the back. 5, nothing. 4, nothing. 3, nope. 2, nope. 1, missed it. Okay. Riding the spool back a little bit. There it is. So a lot of feeling. I do like those. And that 1100, like all the other 1100s I have, been picked to death. So they already started with very weak springs, and now after a couple of years of picking on them, they're horribly weak and make it even more challenging. So I kind of left them that way just to make it tougher. But let's talk about these real quick. I've got the pick out of the way. So the case appears to be the same as like the Genesis set case. Lovely little case. You can only fit a few tools in there, which is all you need because that's all there are. Boy, that's really bright. Let me see if I can move that out of the way. You could put a different patch on there if you wanted. I think I would like to put a pinning tray patch on there. And this would be a great little set to just carry with you, like if you're going out of town and you wanted to have something to pick with, because it's all so compact, and I'm sure that's why they designed it that way. The turning tools, kind of weird looking, huh? These, this one, top of the keyway, but I like them, and they're very well marked, that laser edging, and they grab very well. See if I can get back in the middle of the screen with you. There we go. They grab very well. So I just wish those were a little bit longer. But you have to work. They designed them to work with the case, so that's what they had to work with. So that's what they made. I could get used to them. So bottom of the keyway, I like that design that they came up with. so that they kind of sit out. Let me see if I can grab that 1100. So they, when you back it out a little bit, it gets the damn wrench out of the way a little bit, and you got a little more room to pick with. That was an excellent idea. I could get used to that. Those are marked well as also. Let's see what else. The picks themselves, I've only used really the short and the deep hooks. I picked that 1100 you just saw twice now, as well as a Harry Bowes challenge lock that was just an absolute nightmare. This dude, I won't talk about exactly what's in there, but it's a tough one. But I actually got it open with that pick, that and this pick. I haven't tried the McTickler deal. I'll leave that for you guys that are into zipping, but I'm sure it works fine. I did notice it bites into my hand a little bit when I was using it, but I'm sure I could toughen up a little bit if I had to. If I use these all the time, I would go over to 44 Delta and get some of Esh's cloaks that go on here. They're magnetic, they clamp on, and I don't have huge hands, but those are pretty small, reminiscent of a multi-pick pick. See if I can find a Moki here. I mean, there's quite a difference in the size, and this has been brought up several times, well, many times by folks. I really like picking with the Moki or a Jimmy Longs. They're so much bigger. Just got more to hang on to. But you can get used to using the CI tools. They're in a small form factor and very usable in their current configuration. So that's about it for this. Appreciate you guys watching, and you guys have a great day. See you later. Bye.